I will show you how to perform an emergency restart in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So guys, if you are using Windows 10 and Windows 11 and you want to restart, so very easy, just press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. Now you will see some options, so just move your cursor to shut down or restart and press enter using your keyboard. So press Ctrl Alt and Delete key together. Now move your cursor, and if not able, so use tab, then press enter. Once you see power, so press enter. And now move cursor to restart. Clean all apps, turn off the PC and then turns it on again. So this is the way guys you can perform an emergency restart in Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.